Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tin says he's ready to stop tracking Musk's private jet on one condition, and it's not money. Tesla Inc. Nasdaq TSLA CEO Elon Musk recently traveled from San Jose to San Francisco by a private jet. The flight took just 9 minutes. People say he could have made the same trip in an hour by train or car. Those who tracked this trip, it was exposed by Jack Sweeney, the enterprising teenager who created a bot to follow Musk movements. He shares his info on Twitter NYSE TWTR by the name @ElonJet. According to a report, Sweeney says he is ready to stop tracking Musk's private jet on one condition: if he let me fly with him on his jet, record it and talk about it, and maybe not even pay me take previously asked for, I would take it down, Sweeney said of the Twitter account dedicated to tracking Musk's jet. According to the New York Post, that is still out for discussion. Also read, Musk calls for the more nuclear power, says some environmentalists are anti-human. Earlier, Musk had offered Sweeney $5,000 to shut down the Twitter account. In response, the teenager had made a counteroffer or an internship opportunity with him. In April, Sweeney told his followers on Twitter that he has a backup plan just in case his account on the microblogging account is shut down. Last year in November, Musk reached out to Sweeney and asked him to stop tracking his flight movements over privacy concerns. Sweeney, a student at the University of Central Florida in Orlando, used publicly available information to track several celebrities' movements. 20 and 22 Benzinga.com. Benzinga doesn't provide its investment advice. All rights reserved. Britain considering loans to energy suppliers are bill short Telegraph. London Reuters, the British government's option to support people facing skyrocketing energy bills include handing loans to energy suppliers that could cut bills up to the Telegraph newspaper reported on Saturday. Britain's energy regulator said on Friday energy bills will up 80% to an average of £3,549 a year from October, spurring calls from urgent government support to households and business. Finance Minister Nadhim Zahawi has prepared a range of options for government support that the next time minister, who will take office in early September, can consider, the Telegraph said. Zahawi told the Telegraph he had been working on a plan to help energy suppliers with loans to provide them greater liquidity in a move that could put a downward pressure on the price cap by anywhere between £400 and £500. The idea, previously rejected, was now back on the table, the newspaper reported. Increase in wholesale prices are passed on to British consumers through a price cap calculated every 3 months. Other options being drawn up by the finance minister include freezing the price cap, increasing state benefits, and a grant scheme for small business, the Telegraph said. Zahawi said he was concerned that only targeting support at those who receive state benefits would leave out others, including pensioners and middle-income earners, who will also likely struggle to pay their bills. Soaring energy bills, exacerbated by Russia's invasion of Ukraine, have driven British inflation to 50-year high, But Britain's response has been hampered by the race to replace Prime Minister Boris Johnson that runs until September 5. Liz Truss, the Foreign Minister and the frontrunner to replace Johnson, has said she would look at doing more to help business with soaring energy costs if she becomes Prime Minister next month. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.